What is the name of the island located in the Bass Strait between Victoria and Tasmania? King Island. Which state is known for its Great Barrier Reef? Queensland. Which island is located off the coast of Queensland? Fraser Island. What is the name of the famous red sandstone formation in the Northern Territory? The Olgas. What is the name of the large sandstone monolith in Western Australia? Mount Augustus. Which island is known for its unique wildlife, including quokkas? Rottnest Island. What is the name of the bay in Sydney where the iconic Sydney Opera House is located? Port Jackson. Which city is known as the Harbour City? Sydney. What major body of water lies to the north of Australia? Timor Sea. What is the largest island off the coast of Australia? Tasmania. Which Australian territory is known for its vast desert landscapes? Northern Territory. Which river flows through the city of Brisbane? Brisbane River. What is the smallest state in Australia by area? Tasmania. Which Australian city hosted the 2000 Summer Olympics? Sydney. What is the tropical rainforest in Queensland known as? Daintree Forest. Which bay is famous for being the site of the first European settlement in Australia? Sydney Harbour. What wine region in South Australia is known globally for its Shiraz? Barossa Valley. Which Australian island is known for its historical penal colony? Norfolk Island. What major desert is located in the heart of Australia? Great Victoria Desert. Which Australian state is known as the Island State? Tasmania. What is the capital of Tasmania? Hobart. Which Australian city is renowned for its large Greek population? Melbourne. What is the name of the world's largest sand island located in Queensland? Fraser Island. Which mountain range separates the east coast of Australia from the interior? Great Dividing Range. What is the predominant climate of Western Australia's coast? Mediterranean. Which Australian national park is famous for the Pinnacles Desert? Nambung National. What is the longest continuous fence in the world? Found in Australia. Called? Dingo Fence. What is the most easterly point of the Australian mainland? Cape Byron. Which Australian river is famous for its houseboats and paddle steamers? Murray River. What is the name of the narrow channel that separates Tasmania from the Australian mainland? Bass Strait. Which Australian city was the first to host the Commonwealth Games? Sydney. Which Australian landmark is a massive rock formation known for its cultural significance to the indigenous Anango people? Uluru. What is the capital of the Northern Territory? Darwin. Which Australian city hosts the annual Sculpture by the Sea exhibition? Sydney. What Australian river meets the sea in the city of Perth? Swan River. What major event occurred in Darwin on Christmas Eve 1974? Cyclone Tracy. Which Australian city is known as the City of Churches? Adelaide. What major Australian river is associated with the Gondwana rainforests? Clarence River. Which Australian state is the Yarra Valley located in? Victoria. What is the oldest national park in Australia? Royal National Park. In which city is the Australian Institute of Marine Science located? Townsville. What natural landmark in Australia is known as the Three Sisters? Blue Mountains. Which Australian island is noted for its historic penal colony of Port Arthur? Tasmania. Which region in Australia is known for its tropical climate and rainforests? Far North Queensland. What is the most prominent feature of Wilpena Pound in South Australia? Its natural amphitheatre. What is the dominant wine region in South Australia known for its Riesling? Clare Valley. Which Australian territory is known for its significant Aboriginal culture and landmarks? Northern Territory. What mountain is the second highest in Australia after Mount Kosciuszko? Mount Townsend. Which river is the source of water for the city of Perth? Swan River. What is the major mining region in the Pilbara known for? Iron ore. Which Australian city is known as the Festival City? Adelaide. What is the name of the longest highway in Australia that circumnavigates the entire country? Highway 1. In which Australian state is the famous wine region of Hunter Valley located? New South Wales. Which Australian city hosts an international arts festival every 2 years? Known for its avant-garde performances? Adelaide. What is the southernmost point of mainland Australia? Wilson's Promontory. Which river is vital for agriculture in Tasmania? Derwent River. What natural phenomenon often affects the northern coast of Australia during the wet season? Cyclones. What is the most populous suburb of Perth? Baldivis. What is the largest tropical rainforest in Australia? Daintree Rainforest. Which city is the capital of Western Australia? Perth.